Hello, my name is Cindy Ho. I am Head of Digital and Learning Services at the Richmond Public Library. I work out of the main Brickhouse branch. Richmond Public Library has 4 branches across the city. We have our Brickhouse main branch, Steveston, Ironwood, and Canby, and we have 2 book dispensers. The role of libraries is to help identify and remove barriers for people to access these valuable services. This is the Richmond Public Library card. Anyone can sign up for this for free, and it's your key to accessing our services and programs. The library offers many programs for newcomers, such as ESL classes, as well as programs in Cantonese and Mandarin, and we also have information sessions for adults. One of our most successful programs is our Library Champions project. We have volunteers that come, we train them, and in partnership with New to BC, we have immigrant volunteers that we train in communications, presentation, and outreach skills. So far, we've managed to reach more than 10,000 newcomers in Richmond. The Richmond Public Library has been proudly serving its community since 1976. As of February of 2021, we've removed late fines on materials so that we can better support lifelong learning for the community. We're very excited to be sharing that a new and upcoming service will be our remote 3D printing service, where you can send us a file and get your own 3D model custom printed. There's something for everyone at the Richmond Public Library. We have many books, as you know, but we also have video games and DVDs and magazines, whether you're looking for materials in different languages, or if you're looking for the newest bestseller, or even a cookbook. If you're not sure what it is that you want to read, and you want to find your next great read, we have a reader's advisory service. All you need to do is tell us a little bit about what you are looking for, what you might be interested in reading, and we can put together a suggested list of books just for you. There are many ways for the community to connect with the library. We're always happy to talk with you all. You connect with us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, as well as on YouTube. If you're interested in volunteering for the library, you can also check out our website to learn more. We can't wait to see you at the Richmond Public Library. If you don't already have a Richmond Public Library card, you can sign up for one for free online, or you can come to any branch to pick up your card.